Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll be discussing an advanced question of economic order quantity where two products are involved. Let us read the question. The complete gardener is deciding on economic order quantity for two brands of lawn fertilizers, Super Grow and Nature's Own. The following information is collected. Annual demand for fertilizer Super Grow 2000 bags, Nature's Own 1280 bags. Relevant ordering cost per purchase order Super Grow 1200, Nature's Own 1400. Annual relevant carrying cost per bag rupees 480, Super Grow rupees 560, Nature's Own. You are required to compute economic order quantity for Super Grow and Nature's Own. For the economic order quantity, what is the sum of total annual relevant ordering cost and total annual relevant carrying cost for Super Grow and Nature's Own? For the economic order quantity, compute the number of deliveries per year for Super Grow and Nature's Own. First, we'll have to find out annual demand. For fertilizer Super Grow, it is 2000 bags. For fertilizer Nature's Own, 1280 bags. Ordering cost per purchase order Super Grow 1200, Nature's Own 1400. Ordering cost per purchase order in case of Super Grow 1200, Nature's Own 1400. Annual carrying cost per kg 480 and 560. With this we can calculate now economic order quantity. Formula is square root of 2AO divided by C. In case of Super Grow, annual demand is 2000 bags. Ordering cost per order 1200 divided by whole. Carrying cost per unit rupees 480. Economic order quantity for Super Grow is 100 units. We can now proceed to calculate for Nature's Own. Annual demand is 1280 bags. Ordering cost per order 1400 divided by whole 560. So in case of Nature's Own, economic order quantity is 80 units. For both the products, we have calculated economic order quantity. Next, now we are required to calculate sum of total annual relevant ordering cost and total annual relevant carrying cost. First, we will consider for super grow. We'll calculate number of orders, annual demand divided by economic order quantity. Annual demand is 2000 bags. Economic order quantity we have calculated 100 units. So it will be 20 orders. Total orders multiplied by per order cost. Total orders we have calculated here 20 orders multiplied by ordering cost per purchase order rupees 1200. So total ordering cost is rupees 24,000. Now we are required to calculate total carrying cost. Carrying cost per unit is given rupees 480. So 100 units economic order quantity multiplied by half to get average multiplied by 480. So total ordering cost, total carrying cost is also rupees 24,000. Thus we can arrive at total cost 24,000 plus 24,000. It will be rupees 48,000. This we have calculated for super grow. Let us calculate now it for nature's own. Number of orders we will have to calculate. Annual demand 1280 bags. Economic order quantity we have calculated 80 units. So it will be 16 orders per year. We can calculate now ordering cost. Total orders multiplied by per order cost. Total orders is 16. Ordering cost per purchase order 1400. So it is rupees 22,400. Now we'll have to calculate carrying cost. Economic order quantity 80 units multiplied by half multiplied by per unit cost. Per unit cost here is 560. So total carrying cost is 22,400. Total ordering cost also we had 22,400. So total cost is equal to 22,400 plus 22,400. It will be 44,800. So we have calculated ordering cost and carrying cost. Last, we are required to compute number of deliveries per year. Number of deliveries means number of orders per year. In case of Super Grow, demand for the full year is 2000 bags divided by economic order quantity 100 units. So answer will be 20, that is 20 deliveries. In case of Nature Zone, annual demand is 1280, economic order quantity 80 units, so it will be 16 deliveries. Thus we have calculated various requirements of the question relating to economic order quantity. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.